Hello, welcome back to Love Vegan Kitchen again. Today I am going to show you and share with you how I am going to make the tofu and vegetable satay with peanut sauce. So this is all the ingredient I'm going to use today. We started with a firm tofu and some filled vegetable here. We got some raised sweet pepper. You can use a different color, green or yellow. So this peppers. Got to use some courgette as well, so it tastes really good in this recipe. And a red onion and some cherry tomato. And the ingredient that to marinate the tofu and veggies is turmeric, the ground turmeric, and a bit of salt and a little bit of sugar. And then with the peanut sauce, I'm going to use make it from scratch. So we use some peanut butter here and some little bit of curry paste and coconut milk. Let's see how I make it. So what I put in now is 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then I'm going to put some coconut milk into it as well. You can have without coconut milk, but I prefer it with coconut milk. So and then you're going to put tofu in and then leave it for maybe 10 minutes. We used half a packet of tofu today, and you can use whole package, but I only make half of it today. So pop the tofu in and then mix them in the sauce and then leave it for 10 minutes, and you can put in the skewer. So after I put tofu and let it marinate for 10 minutes, I'll leave it here, and then I'm going to make a really quick peanut sauce. Let's go hop to the hob and do some peanut sauce. So now we're going to make a peanut sauce. So I'm going to use some vegetable oil with a medium heat, and then you're going to put some penang and massaman curry paste, like equal parts. With the curry paste, you can add as much or as little as you like. So if you like it quite spicy, so you can put more than this. I think this is probably about a tablespoon, but you can put more if you like it very spicy. So after a few minutes, you just add the peanut butter. So you can choose the smooth one or the crunchy one. Today I'm adding the crunchy one, and then cook for maybe about 2 more minutes, and then add some coconut milk in. Now it's time to add some coconut milk in after a couple minutes. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and a little bit of sugar. Then you carry on cooking for another 5 minutes, and you will get the yummy satay sauce, peanut sauce. Put this tofu satay into the grill at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Here we go after the 15 minutes after the grill. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to serve with the satay sauce or peanut sauce. Here you go, your tofu and vegetable satay. Here we go. Today dish is really easy to make and doesn't take long at all. It's really simple. It's good for party food, finger food, and like a starter or even a main course. Yeah, so easy vegan recipe for today from Love Vegan. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye for now.